To set up a user account, open the Smart Thermostat app. Then tap on Create Account. Enter your email address and the activation code, which you can find either on the Smart Thermostat itself or in the accompanying documents in the product box. Use the slide switch to accept the terms of use, then tap on Create to complete the entry process. You will now receive confirmation that your user account has been created. Then click OK. Soon after, you will receive an email containing your security code. In the Smart Thermostat app, enter the security code from the email. Then set a password and enter it again to confirm. Then tap on Activate. If everything has been entered correctly, the home screen will appear. Now you can log in with your email address and password to start using all the Smart Thermostat functions via the app. You can use the pairing process to register your mobile phone on the Smart Thermostat. Simply use the camera on the phone to scan the QR code on the Smart Thermostat display, and the connection will be established automatically.